Hi friends, welcome to Git Training. Today we are going to learn about Java Database Connectivity, in short JDBC. JDBC is a standard Java application programming interface which is used to establish connection between Java and various databases. So to establish a connection between Java and databases, we need to use JDBC drivers. We have four different types of JDBC drivers are there. And that the first one is JDBC ODBC bridge driver. So which is used to convert JDBC function calls to ODBC function calls. So the major advantage of JDBC ODBC bridge driver is to easy to use and which is easily connected any databases. The major disadvantage of this driver is to convert JDBC to ODBC, and the ODBC driver need to install at client systems. Coming to the second JDBC driver is native API driver. So which is used to convert JDBC method calls to native driver method calls. So here the native method calls is not implemented in Java. So the major advantage of native API driver is to perform more than JDBC ODBC driver. The major disadvantage of native API is we need to install these drivers at client systems, as well as we need to maintain database libraries at client systems. Coming to the third driver is network protocol driver, which uses a middleware, which is nothing but a application server that converts JDBC calls either directly or indirectly into a vendor specific database protocol. So which is written in Java language. The advantage of network protocol is no libraries installed at client machines. The major disadvantage of protocol driver is to maintain network support at client machines, and it requires a database specific code to be done in the middleware. Coming to the fourth driver is thin driver, which is used to convert JDBC calls to thin drivers. That is, here it supports vendor specific database protocols. These drivers are fully implemented in Java language. The major advantage of this thin driver is gives better performance than all other drivers. One more advantage of thin driver, there is no software required at client systems as well as server systems. And the major disadvantage of thin driver is it depends on database views. So these are the four JDBC drivers. That's all today. See you in next video. Thank you.